Hi, it's Elizabeth. Misguided Bits coming to you today. Um, I wanted to record a video today because I have some bad news regarding the Elezanumab trial, and since I've been sharing about the trial for a year and a half now, I've gotten invested in it, and I know that many of you have have been hoping for positive outcomes and further research with the drug like I have. A couple of members who were also in the Elezanumab trial reached out to me yesterday and the day before, saying that their trial coordinators had gotten word from Abbvie that the trial was not going to be continuing to phase 3. Yesterday, I called my own trial coordinator so I could hear it straight, and she confirmed that on March 26th, Abbvie sent an email to all the Elezanumab trial programs that the endpoints that were set had not been met during the phase 2A trial, though safety, it proved to be safe, but it did not prove to be effective at recovering damage. I wasn't expecting it. I was getting really excited. I know I shared last month about the expanded access program with Elezanumab. I am surprised and disappointed, but I'm not crushed. Yesterday, I listened to some music to give myself some therapy. I did some emotional freedom tapping and told myself that this time wasn't wasted, though I was hoping for a different outcome. This time wasn't wasted because I got to interact with all of you, and I got to meet other people in the trial, and I got to become concentrated on remyelination, and I'm going to continue with this group, and I hope I get the opportunity to be in another remyelination clinical trial. I'm going to talk to my neurologist next week on Thursday, and I'll give an update. I still am waiting for a contact number for Abbvie because I'm going to try to get in contact with who I can to get a little more of an explanation. I saw some positive outcomes in myself during the trial, with my balance, with my walking abilities, and maybe my confidence was just growing. Maybe it's because I've been on Ocrevus for over 2 years. Maybe it's just my body recovering slowly from the lesion on my brainstem from the relapse in 2018. I don't know. I'm going to ask my neurologist to go over my latest MRI with me to see, so I can see what's under the hood. And I had been planning my next 2 years, around this next hypothetical phase 3 trial. But those of us that have MS and chronic diseases know that we often have to pivot. something unexpected comes, because that's what life does. It brings unexpected events, but we're practiced at recovering from them. And there are other remyelination trials and research in the works. I'm going to share an article that I was reading about today with research on protecting myelin by producing OPCs, or oligodendrocytes, and oligodendrocyte promoting cells, or precursor cells. Sorry, I'm a little bit here and there because I have MS, and it's been an emotional day yesterday, but I do believe that when life, God, or whatever entity you believe in, or whether you just believe in yourself or modern medicine and science or whatever, closed doors can create new opportunities. And I think we should all take hope from that. And this is, sitting with this news has kind of felt like when I was diagnosed with MS. I was 20 years old, and I was just picking up my MRI and my report from the hospital because they hadn't sent it to my neurologist. And my mom had flown in. I was attending university, and my mom and dad flew in to support me. They had a feeling something was going on because of all the weird health stuff that had been going on with me. And I was in the hallway after I picked up the report. My mom and her best friend were waiting for me in the car to take me to my appointment. And I was reading the report thinking there would be nothing, and I read multiple lesions on my brain and a lesion on my spine, and that the most likely diagnosis was multiple sclerosis. And I took that piece of paper and the CD with me and sat in the back seat of the car, and my mom and her best friend were joking around, sharing memories about their childhood. And I felt like I had this news in my lap that it was like a bomb sitting there. Because the only person it was real to in that moment was me. And if I could have just said nothing, but they would eventually found out anyway. So this information yesterday has felt a little bit like that bomb sitting in my lap. There's other people in the Elezanumab trial, all other participants that already know. I don't take this responsibility lightly of telling you guys. I really appreciate the journey everyone has taken with me in this trial. And overall, it's been a really positive experience, and I've grown a lot from it. And I hope it's been positive for you too. I'm going to say goodbye, sign out for now, but see you later. God be with you till we meet again, and I hope that this isn't too much of a blow to anybody. I'm here. Send me a message if you're having trouble with this news. I know it was exciting because it was phase 2A, and phase 3 was around the corner, and that was like the closest we had to a remyelination drug making it through to all of us, and it's disappointing, but because we're fighting against time, but I really believe something that can help us will be coming soon. Take care. God be with you till we meet again. Thank you.